Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget your flavorings like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you have a medium saucepan, a whisk, and measuring cups ready. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for delicious success. Now let's combine our ingredients carefully. In a separate bowl, whisk together your sugar and cornstarch until they are well blended. This step is crucial for preventing any lumps in your finished pudding. Next, slowly add about 1/4 cup of cold milk to this dry mixture, stirring until you have a smooth, thick paste. Meanwhile, gently warm the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk in your saucepan over medium heat. It's time to cook our pudding to perfection. Gradually pour your cornstarch paste into the warm milk in the saucepan, whisking constantly to ensure everything combines smoothly. Keep cooking over medium heat, stirring continuously for about 5 to 8 minutes. You'll notice the mixture thickening beautifully. A good test is when it coats the back of a spoon without dripping off, indicating it's perfectly cooked. Almost there. Once thickened, remove the pudding from the heat and stir in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or any other desired flavorings. Now, carefully pour the warm pudding into your chosen serving dishes. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Finally, chill your delicious creation in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. Then, it's ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.